Now let's place our deck. So we go superstructure, place deck. This deck have constraints. So these are the points which define in our library how these templates are defined. So we're going to place this, the active one, slab with constraints. And before that, let's explain a little bit on the library here. So we're going to go to utilities and review the library's text that I have available. So say we're going to place the slab. Now I have P0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it belongs to this point. So for example, P0 to P1 is constrained by slope and distance. So the distance from 0 to 1 has two variables actually. It can be controlled with the right width lane. That's the name of the library that I provide. And by default, that value is 20 or 20 units. And the slope by default, same, is 2% slope, or I can use this variable too. So that's what these constraints, when I place it, will refer, because I can say that it's not 20 units, 20 feet, 20 meters, but is the one that I define for that particular deck. So let's do that and keep in mind these are how these variables are defined with many options. In this case, for the deck, is by distance and slope. So I'm going to say that I'm going to place these adding constraints, and let's call the prefix, let's call it deck. Right, so we go and say from the beginning to the end of the bridge is the deck with constraints. Good. So now I got a 15 feet deck. Now I'm doing this in top view. Now let's also go to view here and rearrange these windows to window tile. So then I will have the top view of my bridge as well as the 3D view.